Tubebuddy is one of the best tools small YouTubers can use to get more views to their videos and more subscribers when you purchase the pro or higher license membership. But most content creators don't know how to use this tool. So with this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool to get more views and subscribers to your channel. Hello there, content creators. Welcome back to my channel. Of course, this is your #1 YouTube channel teaching you all the tutorials about the current trending computer techs and how to make money online. Okay, cheers. So the first thing you need to do, if you haven't done it already, go down to the channel description below and download Tubebuddy for free. That's right, it's very free. Just to let you know, if you purchase any membership from Tubebuddy in future, that means I'm going to get a kickback from Tubebuddy. Hence, you will be promoting and helping this channel. Okay, as you can see, that is my Tubebuddy milestone, my journey, where I have been and where I'm going to. So you can see on November 17th, I was 220 subscribers. The ladder kept on climbing, man, really fast. And on the actually it was like the 7th or 8th, no, I think 7th day, when things started busting up, and my channel busted up to 250 from 100 minus 100 subscribers. Man, Tubebuddy is the best tool, the extension tool to use for you to gain more subscribers and viewers on your channel. So yeah, that is my milestone, and I'm happy Tubebuddy has helped me a lot. So you guys, you've been wondering, what is this Tubebuddy, how can I use it? So let me take you through how to use it. So the main tool you need to focus on if you want to get most out of Tubebuddy as a pro license, first thing you need to do is go ahead and open Tubebuddy. The tool you're going to look at today is the Keyword Explorer. Just click on the Keyword Explorer. What you really need to do here is just to type the topic of the video that you intend to do. This tool will help you decide whether to do the video or not. Okay, for example, our today's topic, let's try to type in the keyword of today's topic, that is Tubebuddy. So what you need to look at in the score, what you need to look at is the score analysis, the search volume, competition, and optimization strength that will help you to maneuver all the type and take the topic that you need. So as you can see, when I started exploring on the keyword Tubebuddy, I got 19 out of 100 from the overall score, and the search volume is actually excellent, but the competition is really poor, meaning a lot of people are doing better topics than me. So if you end up using this topic, nobody is going to you're not going to end up getting a lot of viewers from your video. So the optimization strength there, it's almost good, but this is not good enough. So if it's not good enough, you have to make it better, make it good and actually excellent for you to get the best topic for your channel. So let's try changing the keyword and see if we're going to get a higher score, so that we can get more views and more subscribers and more reach for our videos to be seen from every corner of the world. So okay, let's use how to use Tubebuddy review and explore, and let's see, let's look at the weight of the overall score. As you can see, the overall score is very good. We got 63 out of 100. from the weight. And there's actually no other people using this topic. The search volume is fair. The competition weight is almost good. The optimization strength is actually excellent, but I'm not yet satisfied. Let me look at Google if there's anybody searching now. Okay, so what I need to do, I'll need to change this topic again and find a better topic. I need at least 90 plus to get a better video. Okay, let me see what I can change here. So to get an excellent topic, uh, it's really hard to get, so you need to be patient and search on. So let me try to use something else that somebody has used before. Like there are a couple of topics here to choose from, so just read through and make sure you choose the best. Let's choose Tubebuddy tutorials and see if the score is really good. Nah, that one is also very poor. 26, not really good. Let me try twisting it a little bit and see if we can come up with the best topics. Increasing subscribers with Tubebuddy. Okay, somebody else did something on this topic. Let's choose from these increasing subscribers with Tubebuddy. So when we explore, guess what? We have a 53%. That is actually somehow good. So all we need is a little twist, a little twist. Let's see this one. How to get subscribers using Tubebuddy. We're almost there, guys. Don't get bored. Don't be ignorant. Just follow through. Oh, let's see. We have 79% out of 100%. That's really good. Let's change this to I, and I think we may get 100% on this because nobody is using this right now. There we go. Oh wow, nice. It's actually excellent. 94%. We can use that, but you can make it better too. So how do you make it better? By reducing a little a little bit of the topic headline. So anyway, you can use this, and this is actually excellent. It is excellent. The search volume is 100. Optimization, competition. Yeah, I think I'll go with this. So guys, that's it. And thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. And